Elizabeth I, the queen who survived everyone. She was born unwanted, declared illegitimate, merely executed before she turned 25. And yet, she became the most feared and admired monarch in Europe. This is the dark history of Elizabeth I, the queen who learned early that survival meant silence and secrets. As a young girl, she watched her mother, Anne Boleyn, be executed on her father's orders. She grew up in shadows, moving from home to home, never knowing which whisper might cost her life. During her sister Mary's reign, Elizabeth was imprisoned in the Tower, the same place her mother died, accused of treason she didn't commit. But when Mary died unexpectedly, the girl who was never meant to rule rose from the ashes. On the throne, Elizabeth forged an age of brilliance, but it came at a price. She wore the crown like armor, she trusted no one. She turned her heart into stone because she knew love could destroy her. She executed rivals, outmaneuvered plots, and transformed England into a global power, all while hiding the loneliness behind the mask of the Virgin Queen. To the world, she was immortal. Behind closed doors, she was just a woman trying not to die. And that is the haunting legacy of Elizabeth I.